Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
You make me laugh.
What's red and smells just like blue paint? Red paint.
What? What?
Okay.
Hi, this is Bea from the Dream Motor Group, and today I'm showing you the S-Class of the SUVs, the GLS, brand new 2020 model. It has already won awards, not only hearts, but also awards. Car and Driver already named it the best SUV of the year for 2019, even though it's a 20 model. Edmunds praised it for its innovative technology. It says the best in the market right now. It's our MBUX system. It is artificial intelligence. It's Hey Mercedes. You talk to your car, it gets to know you. It can even make jokes, and it's actually really funny. You got to try it out. But the one everybody's been waiting for are the captain chairs. Mercedes, listen to the moms. You have a car seat here in the front. You want the children to walk in the back. Before, you had to unbuckle the car seat or you'd have your children climb over the seats. No more need. But the big thing is that this is actually wide enough for even an adult to walk through, sit in the back, and there's actually enough room. I'm 5'10", I can fit in here. Now we also have hands-free access. It is a standard feature, and all you gotta do, kick with your foot, it opens it up. Great mom feature again, or anybody traveling, because you can take your stuff out. Don't have to put it down on the dirty road. You just kick with your foot and close it back up. Yay! In the previous model, we had the cargo cover, you know, the one that used to fit in there or in here, and you pulled it. You had your suitcases in there, they were covered. But most people always took it out and left it in the garage and only needed it on special trips. Then you forgot you had it, but now look at this. It's stored away right here. Easy access, easy storage. Imagine your hands are full. Everything is here at your fingertips. Very easily, one touch, fold down. Even the two captain seats on the touch of a button will fold down. You don't have to worry about the headrest. You don't have to take anything down. You don't have to lift anything up and put cushions down. Everything just on a simple fingertip, and it moves. Also standard, our intelligent LED lighting system, ultra wide high beam assist. Again, it means gives you a wide angle, but not only that, it also is adaptive high beam assist. In the S-Class, Mercedes loves to work with the number 3. You can see it on the S-Class sedan. It has 3 LED lighting strips. We have 3 LED lighting lamps. We changed over the V6 to an inline 6. Now, why did we do that? Better performance, but also better fuel economy, and a much smoother ride overall. What is special about this one, though, is that we have now an electric motor with 21 extra horsepower through the EcoBoost. Oh, it's pretty, look. Look at that. JD Power's already praised it for this instant and seamless acceleration with an endless wall of power, and I'm quoting them, but it really is like that. When you drive, there is no turbo lag. 21 extra horses, 184 pounds of torque, and here we go. 0 to 60, 5.9 seconds for a big car like this. That's actually really fast. But on top of it, up to 184 pounds more of torque, which is the instant acceleration and the extra power you get. So huge improvement of performance. Of course, the biggest change is in the inside, and you can see the huge, big digital display. I put it right now on the understated mode because one thing I love about this Model C, the simplicity and the calmness of it all. Stress-free environment, simple lines, clean, organized, simple. You can change the look on this one, however, and it's very easy. So I can change this to the Classic and the Sport. And then you can also go to the Progressive, which makes this red. You can change what is displayed on the side on these ones. You can have different views. So you can customize these two. And then in the middle, you can have your menu there. Finally got touch screens, yes. And you know, we never had them before, so it's a big deal for Mercedes. But they waited so long to make sure that this touch screen works really fast. Because you can have a touch screen and you touch it and it takes attention away from you if there is a delay, or even a fraction of a second can make a difference. So this works really fast. You see how quickly this moved? The second thing is, Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
This is our artificial intelligence. She will get to know you. And she is going to be like kind of like an Alexa. She can turn on the heated seats, she can change the ambient lighting, she can tell you what the football score is, she can tell you a joke, and she's actually funny.
I'm setting the temperature on the front passenger side to 70 degrees.
That's on yours, see? Mine is still at 67. Now, most of the time, everybody's going to use the touchscreen just because it's new. I don't think really it's the most practical while you drive, because you do take your hands off the steering wheel. I like this a lot better because it's right there with your thumb. But I also like this because while you sit, this is right here, so you don't have to point and reach somewhere. It's haptic, it works easy, it's fast. It's very convenient. These little handles here, well, one of the main things is really to protect the touchpad here, right? And all the buttons there. On the other hand, if you need to hold on for dear life, you can hold on for dear life. But it's also a really good armrest. And also a nice new feature that's really exciting is the car wash mode. It folds the mirrors in. It made sure the sensors around the car are turned off, so it doesn't keep beeping at you when the brushes brush it. Rain sensitive wipers are off, so they don't get turned on when you go through the car wash. The rear wiper is turned off, so that doesn't get activated. And it also lifts the car. Can you see? Vehicle is raised. It is the air suspension. It raises us up so that it can get washed nice from underneath. A really good bath. The GLS, you really know you're in our S-Class SUV. You know luxury. Everything here in this car is high quality. From everything you touch, everything you look at, it's very intuitive. It's not a difficult car. This is nice and simple and calm. Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Tell me a joke.
Sorry, my engineers were German.
Oh, she does it. Did you hear that? Did you get that? You got that? I told you she's funny.